Welcome back, everybody. It's Quick Eats will be liable. Let's make some stuffed chicken breast. First, you're going to need some spinach, some minced garlic, some cream cheese, some mozzarella cheese, salt and pepper. Mix that up very well. Set aside. I want you to season your chicken breast, split your chicken breast, add your cream cheese mixture. Use 4 toothpicks to try to keep the mixture inside. Flour your chicken breast and go ahead and deep fry your chicken 4 to 6 minutes on each side, and then you're done. Add some hot sauce. Man, if it don't look good, I ain't eating it.